Today we'll be installing our Sprinter Hood Strut Kit. This is a pretty simple installation and should take roughly 30 minutes. We recommend unpacking all of the contents of the boxes and laying them out so that you have easy access to all the items needed for the installation, and print out the installation guide if you need it. Begin by opening the hood and prop it in the upright position. We like to use a 2x4 cut to about 34 inches. Be sure that it is secure and won't slip out from where it is seated. Locate the hood prop and release it from its support clip. Once it is swinging freely, simply use a bit of leverage to free it from the hinge bushing. Now you can use a pry tool to remove the hinge bushing. On the side where you're installing the first strut, locate the 10mm fender bolt and remove it using a 10mm socket or open-ended wrench. Set it aside for later. Position the hood strut bracket so that it's seated against the sheet metal and secure with the same 10mm fender bolt. Using the installed hood strut bracket as a guide, drill out mounting holes using a 3/16 inch drill bit. Temporarily remove the hood strut bracket and use a rust preventative paint to seal all exposed edges from drilling. Then reinstall the bracket after the paint dries. Repeat these steps on the other side of the van. After making sure both brackets are tightened in place with the 10mm fender bolt, place a rivet inside each of the mounting holes and use a rivet tool to rivet the hood strut bracket in place. Now it's time to install the strut. Position the lower ball end of the strut and press it through the mounting hole on the bracket. Assemble the washer stack along the upper ball end of the strut using an oversized M8 flat washer and strut mount bushing. Insert the bolt on the top end of the strut through the attachment point, ensuring the strut mount bushing seats inside of the hood panel hinge. Place the oversized M8 flat washer and nylon lock nut on the upper ball end bolt. The lower ball end bolt will take a standard sized M8 flat washer and nylon lock nut. Use a 13mm wrench or socket to tighten up the nylon lock nuts while holding the ball end in place with a 12mm wrench. With all the attachment points tightened, you can now open and close your hood to make sure the struts support both sides of the hood evenly without manual support being needed. And that's it. If you have any questions with this install process or have any unique fitment issues, please reach out to our product support team for assistance. Thanks for watching.